The Office of the Ombudsman has ordered Vice President Sara Duterte and other officials to respond to the plunder, technical malversation, bribery, and corruption cases recommended by the House of Representatives over her alleged misuse of confidential funds. Nag-file po ba ng reklamo ang House of Representatives? Kailan po ito? At ano po ang implikasyon nitong kaso sa Ombudsman sa impeachment case ni Vice President?
Una-una, we have not received a copy of the said order to file a counter affidavit. Ako personally, I've learned about it through the reports, and I've seen it on social media. What I can confirm to you is that the plenary adopted the report of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability on June 10. And then the committee report was furnished to the ombudsman they received it on June 16. So it appears that the ombudsman acted upon the recommendation of the committee. What I know is that the House or the committee itself did not file any complaint, but it appears that the ombudsman acted upon the recommendation of the committee.
Pero hindi naman po ito mai-consider na forum shopping baga.
Unang-una, hindi ang House ang nag-file ng complaint. So, ang in-initiate lang ng House ay yung impeachment trial through the transmission of the articles of impeachment. The committee report, the action of the ombudsman was upon the recommendation of a committee report from the House of Representatives. So, we are looking forward pa rin for the impeachment trial to proceed.
Hi ma'am, follow up lang po kay Ate Vivian kanina. Sabi nyo hindi ang House ang complainant. So sino po dapat yung complainant, ma'am?
Well, the ombudsman can initiate investigations on their own. So again, it was an initiative of the ombudsman acting upon the recommendation of the House committee. So yun ang kaya kong sagutin sa ngayon.